So some of you may have already noticed it, and probably even many more of you might have missed it out. And if you're wondering what's this new name that's popping up on your YouTube channel feed, well, it's the Travel Tech channel, which has been rebranded to be known as GizmoBeep. Yes, Travel Tech was kind of a very non-unique name, and it used to throw up a lot of different results when searched on YouTube. So this required a complete makeover with a unique and a catchy name, which should be also fun and very much relatable. So Gizmo Beep stands for two different words. Gizmo stands for all the gadgets, and beep stands for the first startup sound which most of the gadgets make. So as this is a new start for my channel, just as the first startup of any device, the name Gizmo Beep is much more well applicable and updated to the modern times. So the same way which you have showed so much love and support to the Travel Tech YouTube channel, well, Travel Tech is just back with a new name, that's GizmoBeep. So I hope you guys show the same love and even more support to the rebranded Travel Tech channel to be known as GizmoBeep. So the next time a video pops up saying it's from GizmoBeep, don't get surprised. It's just your beloved Travel Tech in a new avatar. That being said, share this video with all your friends who have been following the Travel Tech channel, who probably don't know about the rebranding and might just get confused what's this new name popping up on their YouTube feed. The year 2025 has been a major milestone in my work because I've crossed 21,000 subscribers. I've got a complete makeover of my studio right here, and in keeping up with all the new changes, a new rebranded name was very much in need. So this is probably the only and the last time which you're going to see the intro video of the original Travel Tech YouTube channel. Henceforth, you'll be only seeing the new intro from GizmoBeep or even the extra as well. So I hope you like the new rebranded name, and I hope you continue to support my work. So this is GizmoBeep signing off, and see you in the next one.